Hello and welcome to Dulket. In this video, we are going to unbox the DC F90X, which is a universal fit single lane MP3 car stereo from Dulket. So just stay tuned and watch till the end for the entire unboxing. Let's just first take all the contents of the box out and then we'll be discussing each one of them in detail. So the first thing that you get inside the box is this particular aux cable, which will help you to connect your smartphone with the car stereo and play music via aux. Then you get this sleek remote control with the car stereo, which has all the functions like menu, volume, mute, AMS, band, power, pause. You can even connect or disconnect the call with the remote itself when your phone is connected via Bluetooth with the car stereo. It comes in really handy and it will help you a lot once you are driving and don't want to touch the car stereo. You can directly control all the controls with the remote itself. Then you get these power cables. This one is the power cable and these are the speaker cables. You can connect 4 speakers with this particular car stereo, 2 for the front and 2 for the back of your car. And then you get this detailed manual with the car stereo, which has all the functions written clearly, how to use each one of those functions, the wiring diagrams, the remote control functions. Each and everything is very clearly described in the manual, and even operational instructions and product guidelines and installation instructions, everything is clearly mentioned so that you don't have any problem while installing the car stereo or while using it. So it will help you a lot in terms of understanding any particular feature of your car stereo. And then you get this small thank you card from our company, which is a small thank you note for purchasing our product, and it also has our contact details. So just in case if you face any issues while installing the product or something like that, you can reach out to us via that number. Then now let's just move down towards main car stereo. This car stereo comes with an inbuilt mobile phone holder, which is a very innovative thing. So it will help you to keep your mobile on the top of the car stereo while you are driving. So you can do navigation stuff, or while like you can play YouTube videos or something like that while driving. So you can see it's an all black body car stereo and it's a very rigid body. So it comes in really handy. And you can see it looks absolutely amazing, and we'll even be turning it on later in the video. Let's just start from the back. You get this ISO sockets where the power cables will be connecting. This is the RCS output for connecting amplifiers or bass tube with the car stereo, and then there's this antenna socket where you can connect the antenna for FM radio. And on the top also you get the wiring diagram, which explains you what all wires you're supposed to connect and where. So let's just see what all features you get. The first thing that you get over here with this button is like previous and forward button. Then this is a multiple functional button, which is like if you long press it, it will be working as power button. Short press it, it will be working as mode button. And when the call is coming while your phone is connected with Bluetooth, you click it, it will disconnect the call. Or the button next to it, it will help you in connecting band and AMS. And then there's a mute button over here, and then this is the volume knob. It is a multifunctional volume knob. It serves at multiple functions. When the car stereo will be turned on later in the video, we'll be showing you how it works. And then there's this particular pause button and the initiate, repeat, RDM, -10, +10, and this is all the features that you get. And you get in total connectivity options, like you can see there's TFT card slot, aux input. This is the mic for call clarity once you're connected with Bluetooth and taking calls with the car stereo. And then there's 2 USB slots, one for USB and the second one is for charging. And the charging slot in this particular car stereo is a 2.1 ampere fast charging slot, so it will help you charge your phone really very fast. In case your USB option is also open, playing music via Bluetooth, and this slot is like not occupied, both co-passenger and passenger can charge their phone at the same time. This is all about the top, like this is how the phone holder size is. And this is also illuminated. Once we turn it on, we will be showing that to you. And just for your reference, I have this one, a Redmi 8A phone. It's with a cover on, and you can see you can easily fit this phone with the cover itself. So this is how you can like just simply just enable this particular phone. And now let's just turn on the car stereo and see how it looks like. So this is how you're supposed to connect the cable over here, and once the cable is connected, you can turn it on like this. You can see it has 7 color LED display, and over here I was talking about the illumination for the mobile. Later I will be showing it to you. And if you short press it, you can change the mode, aux, Bluetooth, the FM mode and all that. And as if we are talking about the volume knob, you can even lock the color according to your preference. You can keep it on auto, it will keep on revolving. Green and all the other colors are over here. And now for the video, we'll be locking it on maybe any color. Maybe we can lock it at that purple. And this particular button will also help you in other functions, like it will help you with bass control, treble control, balance, fader, loudness on and off, and then it will help you with the EQ, turning on and off the EQ. You have all the 5-band EQ mode in the car stereo itself. So now let's just plug the smartphone that we had earlier inside the slot. If you can see, you can easily access, like maybe you can open Google Maps over here or something like that. You see on the side it gets eliminated, right? So at night it will be a really helpful feature. And in fact, with a small reference, you can see there's a small cut over here. It is just there to make sure that you can easily connect your phone with the charging point, right? You can see that, and you can maybe play maps over here, or maybe you can go forward with YouTube or maybe movies or whatever you want to play. You can see it is very firmly fitted. You can do not easily take it out, so you don't have that doubt of like your phone falling out from this slot. It's pretty rigid slot, right? And this is how the final look will come, like once the Google Maps is playing upon, or maybe something similar to that is going on in your phone. So it's more like a single-in car stereo that can be turned into a double-in car stereo at will. And the best part about this particular car stereo is it's a universal fit single-in MP3 car stereo. So if your car has a universal slot, so it can be easily fitted into that. And if you want, you can buy this particular car stereo from any online portal like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, ShopClues, Club Factory. We are present everywhere. But if you're looking forward for specific discount on our products, then you can head towards our official website, which is dulcetelectronics.in, and you can purchase that product from there. The details for the website and the discount are mentioned over there. And beyond that point, I hope you like this particular video. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. I hope I was able to help you out to understand all the features of DC F90X. Thank you so much for watching.